Back locally now, as Scholars FC are champions of the inaugural Julex Auto Sales Manchester High School 7-a-side under the lights football competition. They beat QVC 2-0 in the final played at the Manchester High School on Saturday. Danica Darby scored in the first half, while the competition's leading goal scorer and MVP with 11 goals, Nicholas Bennett, sealed the win in the second half with a fiercely contested encounter. Now, Shane Smalling is the coach of Scholars FC.
For this evening, the game wasn't easy. We had an earlier game in the semi-final, which we won 2-1. Coming into the final, we expect a tough game. Nevertheless, we stick to what we know, and we know our opponent. We showed them the respect, but yet we destroyed them.
Principal of Manchester High School, Jasford Gabriel, shared the reason for the competition organized by his management committee.
And so it's helping as well to strengthen the culture of football in the school. And many of our own players, both past and present, participated in the competition playing for different teams. So they would have also gained valuable experience going through the different rounds and playing with players of a higher quality than they are. And so it helps to generate more interest around the football. And we are hoping to make this bigger and better the next time around, including improving on the lights. And we know that it's going to attract a lot more attention.
Dwayne Hall earned the competition's top goalkeeper award.